Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here we are again with Unit 1 Word Stress is lesson number 6, Distinctive Word Accentual Patterns. So in this lesson we are going to see the distinctive function of the stress in the word and its main function. So we move now to lesson 6, Distinctive Word Accentual Patterns. So, the accentual pattern of a word may have a distinctive function in that it opposes words of comparable sound structure and identical spelling. So, when I have a word that can be a verb and it can be an adjective, so in this case, how can I get the meaning that it is a verb or it is an adjective noun? So, in this case, what I'm going to do, so here the stress can move, and as you know, in English we have this characteristic of the stress is that it is free, not like other languages like in French, which is fixed. So in English it is not. In English it is free. So there is a distinctive function that makes the word completely different if compared to another, the same word according to its context. So the accentual pattern of a word may have a distinctive function in that the stress, when it moves from one syllable to another, it means that it is a verb or it is an adjective or it is a noun or something else. So the change in accentual pattern is manifested by a shift in prominence together with a related variation in quality. So shifting from one syllable to another makes the difference. This qualitative change takes the form of a reduction of the first vowel to schwa or short e. So here it makes the difference. So if the stress changes to another syllable, so the first syllable will be of course with a weak vowel, which is the schwa or the short e. So here we are going to see just examples containing more than two syllables also exhibit distinctive accentual patterns associated with pitch, stress, and quality. So examples we have here, we have alternate or alternate. So you see here the difference. Okay, so when it is an adjective or a noun, see how it is pronounced, it's completely different. So here so it can be of course different according to the of course the English language variety. Also here, when it changes to be a verb, so the first noun, it is stressed on the second syllable, and when it is a verb, it is stressed on the first syllable. So the first syllable takes the long O. Okay, yes, it is in the case of the noun here. Yet normally it has two pronunciations. This is just an exception. Okay, so when talking about the second example, alternate. So you see here, the first syllable, normally the stress is on the second syllable. The stress is on the second syllable. So when it changes to the verb, as you know, it is just an exception. So alternate. So that was the long here, it became a schwa. Okay, and the one that was a schwa, it became a long O. So okay, attribute and R, it became a schwa. Attribute. So this is normally the difference. The spelling is the same, okay, but the pronunciation differs. This is the distinctive accentual patterns, the difference, or that make the difference between the words. Okay, and we have here different examples. We take another example here. Example. Here we have estimate and estimate. So this is the difference. This is a distinctive accentual pattern associated with these words that have the same spelling, whether as an adjective or a noun or as a verb. Okay, for the accentual patterns, I hope it is clear.